most beautiful memories heard, the best of times, the beauty, the family, the best of me left with the rest of me to desert me, leaving only lonely, losing all belonging, passing through the veil. I know it's not to scale, but I know that God is in the mother, the child, the beautiful and wild in the building, creating love that's patiently waiting, and seconds of relief when I stop for a brief moment of disbelief at how very thankful I am for having awareness. In all fairness, I'm still scared, yet I stare in the face of being unprepared. Only I can save me. Only I can save me. Only I can save